Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding.
Okay, y'all, don't mind the background. So this is what I'm wearing today. Just a regular black two-piece with my work bag. Okay, real quick, I just got my package of 250 bottles. I don't want to be too loud because the baby. These are the tops. The bottles. So it's the next day and I think I'm gonna end the video today, but we'll talk about that later. I just ordered a MacBook. Not a MacBook. I just ordered a Imac, and only because it was on sale for $800. So I was like, I need one. It's for business. So I went ahead and ordered my MacBook. I have to go pick it up at the mall, and I was like, why not be absolutely fabulous since it's Saturday? Went to the mall to go pick up my business purchase. After I go pick up my purchase, I'm getting tacos, and I was gonna put on lashes, but allergy season is really kicking my behind. Like, it's literally ridiculous. Look, it looks like I'm crying. It's literally just allergies. Everything is mostly from Shein except for these pants and of course my bag. Oh, everything is not from Shein. Let's just go down. Earrings, beauty supply store. Necklace, Shein. Shirt, Shein. Ring, my mom. Bracelets, bangles, Fashion Nova. Pants, Target. shoes, Shein, purse, Coach. So yeah, and then I'm gonna have some shades on. The shades are from Forever 21, but this is her and she looks cute. So I had to tie you know that string hack when your pants are too big? It literally took me like over an hour to do it, but it came out really cute. So what do you guys think? Don't mind the mess. My boyfriend number 2 is coming to finish my closet basically, and those on top, we're gonna come and talk about this later because those aren't gonna be up there no more. So, and then I want to explain like my business and how much I made this month and how I made it to you guys. I feel like that'd be interesting. Okay, since I'm waiting for my friend to get here, we're gonna open up the package I got yesterday from Amazon. So I got 2 packages. Where's my other AirPod? I got one, a 256 gigabyte Amazon SD card, and I'm using that right now. Sorry I didn't show you guys, but you're fine. If I fall off. Second thing I got were these pink boxes that I'm gonna show you guys. So these are like just storage binders, and I'm gonna put them on top of my closet thing. Ooh. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Oh, I don't think they were gonna be this big. Ooh, let's try one out. Oh, no! Guys, they're too big. Oh my gosh. Back to Amazon they go. I'm gonna explain to you guys how I made, probably gonna hit 11K by tomorrow if I haven't already, but $11,000 in 1 month. So if you don't know, I do own / run my own business all by myself, and I have been running this business for 4 years. I started back in 2020. It is now 2024 when I first launched my business. So just a little bit of background, and then we're gonna get into the nitty-gritty. For a long time at the beginning of my business, I made a lot of money, and then it got really slow, which is normal for business. So if you are looking into, you know, creating a business or doing a business, know that you do have your slow days and your slow months. Business is just now picking back up from over 2 years of like really, I was just really like, I didn't know where I was going. I really didn't know exactly what I was doing anymore. So like, it kind of left me, I don't know. But I got it back and I figured it out, and yeah, almost at 11K right now. Right here, this is total sales. We're at 10,974. I want to show you guys February because we definitely hit 11K, almost 11.5. So we did hit that in February, which I am so proud of. I manifested this, I asked for this, and I worked for this. Okay, I'm gonna give just, oh my gosh, I'm not crying, it's my allergies. I'm gonna give just a couple of like tips and tricks and tell you guys what I did. So I run majority of my business, majority of my orders come from TikTok. So I figured out a way to grab people's attention with my product. For the longest, for the last 2 years, I was not really promoting my product. You know how they say you want to promote a product but not really promote a product? So I was trying so hard not to push my product and not to say, hey, buy my stuff, that it wasn't getting to people. Like my content wasn't hitting, nothing was hitting. So I tried something different this year and I got it down, and business has been great ever since. So that's what I've been doing. I have been posting on TikTok, and I have also been running ads. So for my ads, I just use my ads to mainly get my following up on my Instagram, my business Instagram. I've only been doing $30 a week, which I am next month gonna up to $60 because I want to test and see how much I can make off of posting and off of running ads. So I do still get orders from my Instagram, running Instagram ads. So yeah, but that's basically all I did. I just posted my product without telling people, hey, shop. It was more like, girl, do this, you know? If you know, then let me know that you know. And so he gets here, I'm just gonna be editing and turn this off. Pink?
Huh?
Pink.
I'm talking about processor.
8. It's 8?
Yeah.
Guys, she's back there.
How much was it?
That
one was 900, wasn't it?
Total was 9, yeah. If I didn't get the 8, if I would have got the 7, it would have been 8.
That's
49.
the one you need if you're gonna be editing.
Yeah, that's why I got it.
The other one would have been lagging a little bit.
Right. So I'll be with you guys. Well, I'll come back to you guys either when we set it up or when we go get tacos.